Are you tired of constantly chasing after women and never seeming to get anywhere? Well, I have some tips for you that might help you. First things first, let's talk about the traditional dating game where the man is expected to chase women. Nowadays, women can, of course, chase men, but they never do, right? In this video, I'm going to teach you two things. First, I'm going to let you know why chasing women doesn't work. And two, I'll show you how you can make them chase you instead. Trust me, it's a much better situation to be in. First, let me explain why chasing women doesn't work. Well, there are two main reasons for it. One, it takes a lot of your resources, your time, your money, your energy. Worse, even if you do all those things, often you will end up getting friend-zoned anyhow. And two, when you chase women, you're competing with lots of other guys, all trying to win her heart. And, let's face it, you're probably not the richest or most handsome, right? So, let me know. Do you agree that chasing women doesn't work? Type yes or no in the comments below. Go on and do it, because I'll wait here. Okay, so now that we're on the same page, let me tell you that there's a different approach you can take. I'll show you how to make women chase you instead. Spoiler alert, it's by making her see you as the guy who knows what she's thinking, without her telling you what she thinks. A woman likes to think her soulmate is out there in the world, waiting to appear in front of her and sweep her off her feet. And her soulmate is someone who understands her inside out and reads her mind. Now, here's the thing. Even if you don't feel like you have mind-reading skills, she only needs to perceive you that way. And I'll teach you a technique called Cognitive Telepathy to help you achieve that. So, are you ready to learn more? Yes? Okay, here's how Cognitive Telepathy works. Let's say you're on a first date with someone, and you're trying to get a better sense of their interests and personality. As you're chatting with them, you notice that they're wearing a necklace with a small elephant charm on it. You might use Cognitive Telepathy to make an educated guess about what this could mean. Based on what you've observed, you might guess that she is interested in animals or nature, or that she might have traveled to a place where elephants are commonly found. You could then ask them about her interest in elephants, or you might say something about your own experiences with nature or travel. For example, you can say, "I love animals. Not any animal, but elephants. In many ways, they are like humans. Like dolphins, they can form deep emotional connections with humans. They are simply lovely." Not only that, you might say that elephants are often associated with strength, intelligence, and good memory, as well as good luck and fortune in some cultures. Based on this, you might guess that your date values these qualities, or that they have a personal connection to elephants for some reason. To a woman, it's all about emotional connections. The best to form a connection with her is to latch on to something that she already values. For some reason, every woman loves the esoteric. They believe in things like fate, destiny, and supernatural beings like angels. And it doesn't matter how educated they are. They like to think there's nothing random in their lives, especially in their men they meet. To her, everything follows a grand master plan. So, with Cognitive Telepathy and other Shogun Method techniques, you'll appear as if you're her soulmate, someone destined to be with her. The Cognitive Telepathy, you can nail a guess about a girl. It can really help her get interested in you. When she reacts with something like, "OMG, yes, how did you know?" That's your cue to start chatting her up. She'll probably start sharing secrets and asking about you too, which is a good sign that she's into you. But that's just the first step to making her really chase you. In Shogun Method, we call this the bridge between the intrigue and the rapport stage. We call the Cognitive Telepathy an intrigue ping, something that builds intrigue in a woman. If done properly, you will capture her interest, but it won't be enough to make her attracted to you. To do that, Shoguns use another trick we call fractionation. What's fractionation? Well, it's a Shogun Method technique that makes a woman go through an emotional roller coaster to create a strong connection with her. It's a conversation trick, but it'll have her bouncing back and forth between thinking you're just a friend and thinking you're the one. You keep doing it until she's totally head over heels in love with you, and then boom, she's now emotionally addicted to you. Crazy, right? And yet it works, as the tens of thousands of Shoguns will tell you. Now, I'll be real with you. Fractionation is a bit more advanced than the Cognitive Telepathy trick we talked about before. It's hard to explain in just a video like this, but don't worry, I've got your back. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm hooking you up with an online masterclass on mind control that'll teach you everything you need to know about fractionation and more. All you gotta do is click the link that's gonna pop up at the end of this video and enter your email address. You'll get an invitation ticket to the masterclass in no time. Trust me, man, Fractionation could be the most important thing you ever learn when it comes to women. So if you're sick of always chasing after girls and doing all the work, it's time to turn the tables and make them chase you. Click that link, join the Masterclass, and let's make it happen. Wait for the link, or go straight to fractionationhypnosis.com to sign up. See you at the Masterclass, okay?